Hey, this is Scott Rulon, and I'm betting you want to learn the new tax rules for 2022. So, new tax rules for 2022, winners and losers. Hey, this is Scott, and I've been a professional accountant for over 33 years. I've seen crazy things and arbitrary decisions made by our government, so I just wanted to keep you updated on what to expect. But before we do that, please feel free and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can receive future videos. So what are the tax casualties for 2022? Well, let's start with the child tax credit. Prior to 2022, if you had a child under 18, you could receive some monthly tax payments. So children under 6 received $300 a month. If they were under 17, they received $250 a month. Well, that whole thing goes out the door in 2022, and you only get $2,000 per child under the age of 17. And guess what? Only $1,500 of that is now refundable, so it's much different than 2021. Also, if you're not able to itemize on your tax return, charitable donations of cash are no more. Non-itemizers can no longer write off the $300 in charitable donations. In good news, if you can still itemize, and that usually means a combination of your interest, your taxes, and your charitable deductions, the charitable deduction limit is set at 60% of your adjusted gross income. So that means if you have an adjusted gross income of $20,000, you can give charitable contributions up to 12. Unfortunately, the limit for corporations drops to a dismal 10%. Although charities are pressing Congress for substantive changes, Congress, as usual, seems to be not in any hurry to act. Other casualties of the current tax law in 2022 include we no longer get a credit for efficient doors and windows. And if you itemize in your tax returns, you can no longer take those pesky mortgage insurance premiums. So they have hit the chopping floor as well. Hey, do you want to know what does work in 2022? Well, here's some opportunities you can take a look at. But before we go on there, please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. So here are the tax survivors for 2022. Although the long-term capital gain rate and qualified dividend rates have not changed, the 0 and 15% brackets on these thresholds have increased. You now pay 0% capital gains rate for an individual if your income is less than $41,675, or on your joint return, if it's less than $83,350 and you have capital gains, guess what? No capital gains tax. Other good things, the kiddie tax reduces for children under 19 or under 24 and a full-time student. Good news here is that the first $1,150 of unearned income is no longer taxable. So it's tax-free. The next $1,150 is taxed, and anything beyond that is taxed at the parents' rates. So what are some ideas that you can save some money from taxes? Maximum 401k contribution limit for those under 50 is $20,500. Well, that's certainly a substantial sum. Or if you're over 50, it's $27,000. Same rules apply to 403b and 457. Unfortunately, caps regular IRAs remain at $6,000 if you're under 50. But if you're over 50, you can add extra $1,000. The Roth IRAs phased out at $204,000 to $214,000 for couples and $129,000 to $144,000 for singles. You can expect new life expectancy tables. So what that means is you can take your RMDs, also known as required minimum distributions, out over a longer period of time, which also gives your accounts a longer time to grow. The standard mileage rate in 2022 is 58.5 cents a mile, 18 cents for medical. But the charitable filage rate remains at a paltry 14 cents. Good news for you business owners. Business meals are currently 100% deductible. Unfortunately, entertainment remains non-deductible. Whether you like the tax changes, or dislike them, I'm sure you could use a raise since the average raise in the U.S. is less than 3%. So tired of taxes? Here's my #1 recommendation. If you came to this blog, you really wish to know how to save on your taxes and, I'll bet, to save money online, right? So best way I know to overwhelm taxes is to make money. So if you want to learn how to make money in a step-by-step process, partner with me here. You can go to my blog site, My Financial Fair, and read my blog, and you can hit this button and learn how to partner with me. So great news is once you learn the skill set of online and the mindset, you can build wealth with or without crypto, where you are sovereign and make the decisions. We have complete newbies sometimes who are just getting started and making online income streams. Then we have students who've been with us for almost a year that are completely crushing it. Could you be the one? So today, digital economy is the #1 online business model for those just starting out. Whether you've never made $1 online or you've been in this space for a while but never really made it, digital real estate is for you. I know you'll make the right decision. By the way, you can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and also follow me on Twitter. I look forward to seeing you at the top. So again, if you want to succeed in business, then click here and check this out to take your game to the next level. And hit that bell icon so you can receive future videos.